Hello to all the nail baby dolls out there. This is Rhonda McCarthy, and I am the Nail Mogul. Today's video will share tips on how to take the madness out of marble. Tip number 1 is to make sure that you work very wet with your acrylic product. I generally set down one color to cover most of the nail area and then add a bead of a different color. Tip number 2 is to do less. Once you put on your second bead of color, try not to move your brush all over the acrylic repeatedly. If you swirl gently in whatever direction you want to see the pattern emerge, it will actually make the design for you. So at this point, I would like to point out that I don't do a great deal of pressing to the acrylic. Try not to press too much after the marble pattern that you want appears. That's the reason for working very wet. When the acrylic levels, it should be flat enough to encapsulate without the nail enhancement being too thick. So right here, I'm adding just a few very small beads of additional acrylic to make the color a little bit more black. I wanted the design to be more of a black marble look with little bits of white in it, and I kind of wanted it to look the way it's coming out, like storm clouds almost. Now I'm going to encapsulate my marble design. Remember not to cover the entire nail if you have done the reverse method like I have here. That's the pink acrylic near the cuticle. Use minimal clear acrylic and your nail will not appear to be too thick. Now I'm using a zebra abrasive board to refine the acrylic enhancement. Be mindful of using a coarse grit file like a 100 on the surface of your acrylic. I always use a 180 grit to bring out the natural shine of the acrylic. If you've noticed, I used very minimal filing to shape my enhancement. Now I'm finishing up the filing process with a purple 180 foam board, and then I will use an orange 280 board to buff the nail to a high glossy shine. I like using these foam boards because they pamper and baby the acrylic to where even before you put your finish gloss, like your gel top coat, on the enhancement, the nail already has a shiny appearance. So as a finishing touch, I'm using a striper brush that I got from Michael's craft store to add some hand painted accents with the gel bottle. gel polish in the color Jet Black. Don't worry about that red line from my last nail design. I intended to cover it anyway with my gel design. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be sure to get new videos the moment that I upload. Thank you so very much for watching.